can fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really fun electric blue eye makeup look, and I hope you guys like the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get into the video. Alright, so I already did my base using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now I'm just going to set my face using my CoverGirl Clean Professional Translucent Powder. I'm just setting my under eyes first because I find that I crease the most there, and then I'm just going to powder the rest of my face. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Smashbox, the Cali Contour Palette. And I'm just using that contour shade there just to add some contour on my cheekbones, as well as under my chin, my jawline, and my forehead. And now I'm just taking that matte blush shade and putting that on my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Now using that shimmery bronze highlight, I'm going to bronze up my cheekbones as well as my forehead. Alright, now for the eyes, I'm going to use the matte bronze from the same Smashbox, the Cali Contour Palette, as my base shade for my eyeshadow, so I'm just applying that onto my crease. Now I'm using my MAC Dusky Rose x9 palette. I'm going to use that little coppery shade, and I'm going to put that also in my crease just to darken it up a bit. Now using my Tartiste Pro To Go palette, my trusted palette, I'm going to use that gold shade there, a little bit on my finger, and applying it on my eyelid. And guys, look at what the difference using your finger makes instead of a brush. It's so pigmented. Now taking a brush with nothing on it, I'm just going to blend the two together just so there's no harsh lines. Alright, time for the electric blue liner. So I'm using my NYX Studio Liquid Liner in the shade Extreme Blue. So I like to start my liner on the outer edge of my eye, and I only like to go in as far as where my pupil stops. I don't want to go all the way to the inner corner, and I find starting on the edge just makes it a little bit easier to make that wing. Now I'm making that wing a little bit longer, and feel free to make this how long you want it. I didn't want it to be super long, just enough that you could see it. Now to make your eyes pop a little bit more, I'm going to take the same blue liner and actually put it on my bottom lashes. Now my trusted mascara, my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm just going to coat my top lashes. Now going back in with my Tarteist Pro To Go, I'm going to take that coppery shade and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight, and I'm just going to bring it a little bit lower than I normally would underneath my waterline. I'm also going to use that underneath my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. Now for some more highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and using that golden shade, I'm going to use it to highlight my nose, the tip and the bridge, as well as my Cupid's bow. And above my cheekbones. Now we need a lippy, so I'm going to use my Stila Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Patina. And if you watched my old videos when I was in university, I was using this lipstick like all the time, so it's very nostalgic right now because I haven't used it in probably over 2 years. Alright, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and help me reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I would be super, super, super grateful. If you have any other makeup looks that you want me to do, let me know down in the comments and I will do them for you. Anyways, I will see you guys next week. Bye!